in this video, we're going to look at a CPR scan, a consecutive 3 CPR up scan on a weekly time frame. So, so here is a scan. So we are only doing stocks which are weekly options, right? So those are probably mostly liquid stocks. So because if you want to buy put or call, you want to have weekly options so that you can just take a short-term trade. Okay, so here the scan is running on a weekly basis. So we are looking for stocks in the weekly CPR. Okay, so now when we scan, these are the stocks we are getting, right? So I want to sort by call sizzle index also here. So why I'm sorting it by, so that means there's a lot of call activity here, right? So which basically means that a lot of people are betting that the call system just sort the underlying stock is going to go up. Okay, so you can also sort by other options also. So let's say I want to sort by this one, 91 RRC Lily. Okay. So let's sort by call synthesis index first. So BMY. Okay. Let's go BMY. BMY. Okay. You see that the CPR is not quite uptrending. It's a little downtrending for the next week. So you may want to ignore this one, right? So, but the buy volume is there, uptrending is there. Time frame is not that promising. Okay, so let's go next one. NUE. Okay, new core. Here also CPR is not quite. This is down. Okay, but the Keltner channel is showing green. You have to wait for the. So here everything is green. Here green. So here also green. Okay. You want to wait for the candles to open above this CPR. A lot of pharma companies. Let's see. Sort by Keltner channel 91 RRC. Lilly. Let's look at Lilly. Okay, so Lilly is in a very big uptrend. Okay, so this looks very nice. So it's just like a stepping stone here, right? So as soon as on Monday, if you see the developing CPR is red here, so it's basically downtrending right now. But you want to wait for Monday, and then if the candle opens above, wick only should be wick only above, not below. If you see a candle like that, then you can basically take the trade. So we are on a 1 hour time frame. Just wait for the first hour, make sure there's a candle up, and then you can take the trade. Scan again. So RRC. Let's look at NEM. Okay, NEM also is uptrending. Also a narrow CPR, right? So it has narrow CPR. Developing CPR is also up green. So as soon as Newmont, right? So as soon as candle opens up, this is a good one to take a long. Lilly, Newmont. Okay, let's look at one more, 43. You want to see the Keltner channel is basically what it indicates is how many candles is going up, right? So let's look at, these are all in bull face. Let's look at NOV. So this is uptrending, but RSI and volume is not quite operating. Okay, so I'm going to attach the list attach the scan list in that video. You can basically use this to figure out what you want, how you want to take the trade. So let's say, for example, if you want to purchase, let's say RRC, right? RRC, C, uptrending, right? So here it is downtrending here, it's uptrending CPR. So it says implied volatility, low volatility is high. So let's go and see RRC. You see the implied volatility is very high. So if you want to take a cash secured put, you can just basically go 27, basically take a cash secured put here. Okay? So that's going to help you get some premium. Okay, because you want the stock to stay up, right? So that's this stock should stay up because the trend is up. Okay? Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you want any question, if you have any questions, if you want to see CPR indicator for free, please let us know. We can send it to you. Send us an email. Thank you.